And welcome everyone to another typewriter video. And I hope you don't mind that I have the air conditioner on, but my apartment is extremely hot. It's very hot and muggy outside, so I had to keep it on so I can breathe because I'm fat. But this is my newest addition to my typewriter collection. Really, it's the second one I currently have, but you know, I've been restarting my collection from scratch. This is a 1954, because I checked the serial number, Royal HH. But in this case, it's the HH-P because it has the pica writing font, which means I can fit 10 characters per line of text. I got this from shopgoodwill.com. My very first typewriter I bought through Shop Goodwill because they're normally expensive, but I got this one for $64 after shipping, which is a good deal for this machine considering when I got it, none of the keys really stuck, and I was all sorted and ready to go at it with this stuff that I've been using on my Royal 8. But this stuff's good for loosening up typewriter keys that stick. But the carriage also moves nice. There's space action, and we'll do this. There's no ribbon in the machine yet. It didn't come with one. I gotta buy it from scratch, but I know the website where I get all my ribbons from, so we're good on that. And we'll just go the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. And that's every letter key. Now the O key did catch on that one. It didn't do it before, but I got the stuff through just in case, but that was the O key, and only one of those. Now we're going to do the number keys, so do this so we don't hit the margin. And symbols. Perfect. Because some of my symbol keys do not work on my Royal 8. No matter how much scrubbing I do to them, they just won't work. So there's a problem with them on that machine. But this one types great. Just again the O key, which is kind of ironic because the O key was the one key that gave me the trouble on my Royal 8 when I got it, until I had to bend it just a little bit so it would quit catching on the other key. But this machine is 72 years old and not in bad shape for its age, which really shows the craftsmanship of a Royal made machine. You have your button as your pop top, you have your ribbon color selector, you have red, black, and then you have stencil, which is what I call it, but really doing that, the vibrator does not go anywhere because it's not meant to. But on that, you see it goes up a little bit for black. On red, it goes up double because red is always on the bottom of the black and red ribbon. And the reason why I actually like this machine is because this is the machine that was used, the model machine I should say, not this one in particular, but this model was the typewriter used by two of my favorite writers, the poet Sylvia Plath, rest her soul, and Charles Bukowski. A lot of writers from the 50s and the early 60s used this machine, which was made from 1952 to 1957. Mine was made in 1954. So I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope to get a ribbon soon from Ribbons Unlimited. It's the site that I go to get them from. So I can get to using this for some videos and for personal use, since I am also a poet. So thank you all for watching. See you all next time. Cheers. Also, if you all noticed when I popped it open earlier, we saw this little tag. I just now got to reading this tag, and this was the last time this machine was cleaned in August of 22nd, 1967. So it hasn't been cleaned in such a very long time. And it still works great, so it's still holding up from its last cleaning.